Good morning, everybody. This is your Dow Jones trade setups for today, and really messy, still messy. We're back in this zone where we had all this chaos 2 weeks ago. Um, Nothing really for me. When you look at this on the 8 hour, that just indicates that we have some decent structure. So what I do want to do is just put that level in because that was fairly strong. It's all over the place, but that's at 38,830 or 38,800. That's kind of what it is. Looking at the oscillator, there's still some juice in this to go to the upside. We've got a crossover of the moving averages now on 8 hours, so we're back to bullish territory. We got a crossover of the 3 hour yesterday. But look at this price action from yesterday. Massive move up and then big hanging man inside bar here off a fairly strong zone. And you can see where price is at the moment, and just above it is 39,083. We are hovering on 39,056, so 3,900 should probably be a level that you want to draw in. Probably not going to be any 39,050, 45. I don't think there's going to be any structure at 3,900. So maybe here, maybe there. 39,004. That's good enough. But have a look at this. We haven't really, oh, there we rejected it. Okay. So we rejected that last week, but we haven't really found support unless you want to count this pin bar support. I'm not going to count that as support. So yeah, strong structure to the upside, but also rejection pin bar and hanging man here. I'm very, very, very cautious about this. And if you look left, this 39,083 is a very strong area of resistance as well. So yesterday's price action completely all over the place. If I just put this bottom level in, there's a pin bar there. That's kind of what we've got. There's a zone, so I'll just draw this in. I'll give you the level, the actual level shortly, but let's just find everything at the moment. So there you can see these two tails. Here you can see it dips in, and then you've got this pin bar. So that was obviously the zone that price was looking for. That's 38,754, 38,727. Oscillator's not giving us any information, but strong move up, strong move down, strong move up. Could be a flag when you look at this on the 1 hour. The 3 hours giving you a different picture, but if this one is strong move up, pull back, move up, flag, you're expecting a break. So bullish structure. And then when you look at this on the 15 minute, this is when data came out. I always say to you, wait, don't just jump in when data's here, because that's often when you get hurt. So just look at the science of this, or not the science, but the psychology of this. You get the data out, you see this massive bullish pin bar off structure, you think that's it, I'm in on this. My stop needs to be at 200 points, and you get going, and then you start pulling back here, and 9 times out of 10 you start doubting yourself and you get out, and then it continues in the right direction. Or alternatively, you've been burned so many times that what happens is you just stay in, and then it continues to the downside and burns you as well. So always wait for data. I'm on the 5-minute chart, and you can see this is quick moves up and down from a period of just consolidation. So hate trading noise, because this is always what happens. A lot of people make money by having positions at the most logical support level or resistance level, and then they just they trade those short 5-minute sections. But anyway, I don't have time for that. So if we get back to 15-minute, that was definitely not the area to trade. But if you're watching this and after this chaos and it got going, you're waiting for the next logical pullback, and here it comes. Tweezer bottom on the previous high of the day, and that was 38,900. Nice round number for a move to the upside. Okay, so what are we looking for today? Jeepers. This 3900 is obviously something we need to keep in check, so that's the first thing I would be looking for, is to see if we can revisit 3900. You're going to end up with 150 point stop loss, so because you need to be below this tweezer bottom. So that's the first level. You could dip below it to 38,955. Same scenario, just your stop is sitting here below this tweezer bottom here, and this level here is 38,900. The other scenario, which is probably something that is more likely, is you're going to see price get above 39,083, bump its head up on something higher up, turn around, come back and find a base here, and then that would be the opportunity to buy into this. So that's kind of the structure that I can see at the moment. If you look at this on the hour, the trend is up, moving average is up, everything is up at the moment. So you're looking for that pullback onto structure. And this is the first one, 39,004, but 3,900 is what you're looking for. Previous day swing high, that's what I'd be buying off. If you do drop a bit lower, there's definitely a merit there at 38,955 or 38,950. And then what you're going to find is this is going to be moving in 50-point increments. So once you've hit 3900, it'll be 39,050, 39,100 would be the next two targets, the upside. So that's kind of my outlook at the moment. And if we do get above this 39,100 area, you can see the previous high is right here at 39,300. So that would be the most logical target as well. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. Definitely not looking to be short on this, but also want to be really sure of the trade to the upside. I don't want to be underwater, and I hate it when we are losing money and we're not making money. So I'd prefer to wait for that structure, wait for the most logical spot, and then take the trade from there. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.